Go up the mountain. All right, I think this looks like a good spot, don't y'all?
Yeah. Oh, Gabby wants to be away.
All right, it's pretty flat. I think with a little digging, I think we can make this work. What do you think?
We coming up that top. No, if we build a tent right here, bears could come in.
Oh, okay. All right, well, let's get some of these trees taken out. See if we can get this flat.
Daddy?
Then we'll go from there.
Daddy, go with your knife, Daddy. Hey, Daddy, I know. Wait. That's why honey is in there, Daddy.
Alright, so my plan is knock that down where it's flat, knock this down where it's flat, then I'm gonna come back and stack some wood up on each side, and we're gonna have a little bushcraft play for it for the kids. Just gonna have a good time out here today and enjoy it. Y'all knew how long I've been trying to get that root, that other big root out. I'd have been about half done with this thing if these wasn't here.
Daddy, you made that tree go down too. That's so cool, Daddy.
Alright, so I measured the spot I had cut out. The stick, that's how big we're gonna cut all these. Alright, that wasn't easy. That's the hardest part though. That saw will wear you out.
That didn't like a farm. Nuh-uh, it's like a sea. It's gonna take for a while before we can work. Hey, that's like a farm. That.
Alright, once you get above ground level, you want to start tying these off to this post. Just like that. Can't go nowhere. You got it? All right.
I got it.
Good job. All right, y'all want to build a fire?
Yeah!
Clean out your dryer and get the lint out of it. Watch this.
There we go. Only not a lot in there. There's a lot in there. I see it boiling.
Is it good?
I already saw it.
Yeah, they're hot.
Dad. Daddy. No, over here.
So these right here are called Devil's walking stick. And I guess you can see why they got pokers all the way down them. But they're kind of tall. They're not really straight. But we're going to use them for braces. They'll eat you up.
Daddy, I got it. Well, can you get it? I just mixed up. Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
What, buddy?
I got hurt on my knee.
You hurt your knees?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never.
Alright, so it started to rain. Made a little makeshift fort here because I didn't want to sacrifice my fire that I had up. I don't know, maybe it won't rain long.
What?
Alright, it's been raining about an hour. It's getting colder too, I don't know. I doubt it's going to turn to snow. It's supposed to be like 30 degrees tonight, but I'm going to have to get back to work. I want to get that fort done before the night's over. Having to do is still raining if you can't tell. To keep these, it's about chest high right now. To keep these from rolling off, I'm just taking this string and every two and tying them off to this post. And then once I get a little higher, I'll go back and tie it off to this post. That way it won't fall back and forth, see what I'm saying? Well, every time we go out and cut some more wood, rain starts back, so I don't know, it just might not happen today. I'll be sleeping under here tonight, I don't know. All right, we're having some Italian seasoned pork chops tonight, yum. And a side of mac and cheese.
Right, Daddy?
Got a bit more butter.
Daddy, that makes the pork go out.
Camping food is so much better. Rogan, how is it?
Good.
Jotto,
Yeah,
how's your macaroni?
I'm good.
All right, well, it's getting late. It's cold. Hopefully I got enough firewood. I don't know, hopefully no coyotes come out here. Down to 30 degrees, it's gonna be a cold one, but anyways, we'll see y'all in the morning. got pretty cold. Boys are still sleeping, let's get a fire going. So I'll definitely make sure I've got a flatter place to sleep. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. Let's get some breakfast cooked for these boys.
No, werewolf. No.
All right, let it cool down just a minute. Got it made, don't we, boys?
It's good.
All right, well, as bad as I hate to, we're gonna have to get to working, ain't we, boys?
Yeah.
Let's put the old charade back on here.
Hello. Me, I'm a Mimi. Yeah. Alright, Daddy. Good. Judd, if you see with that little wood, our tents are dads. Mom. Mom, I need to clean the poop. Do you know that? Yeah! That's a roof. Got it.
Hold it tight.
Okay.
Good job.
What's this? Daddy, I think we'll get that.
Alright, Rogan, help me. Hold this for me.
Alright.
It's kind of windy out, ain't it?
No,
Just get it tight as you can. Put your thumb just like that. Good. Whoa, man. Woo! Son, what do you think about that?
Good.
All right, well, we got a pretty good bit done, didn't we, Rogan? Got to finish these 2 walls. Still undecided what we're going to do over here. Did you have fun camping? The little one's mad right now because he ain't got no marshmallows. Oh, here he comes. Come on, Judd. Did you have fun? You didn't? Why?
Because you made me mad.
Oh, I made him mad. Anyways, if y'all like this video, like and subscribe. Heck, even if you don't like it, go ahead and like it and subscribe on it. Right, boys? We're going to go see Mom.
I'm gonna go get a sheep.
A treat?
Yeah, I'm gonna be doggy.
We didn't get to finish it and we didn't get to sleep in it.
No.
So we're going to have to come back and we'll make another video finishing it and sleeping in it, won't we?
Yeah.
Found it. Ah.
Let me.
Ah.
Bye. Bye.
Till next time, we'll see y'all later.
See you later.